Hey flowers, it's Reese LaFleur, and today I'm coming back with another video. What up? So I'm super excited about this video, y'all. It took me forever to do this wig because I procrastinated, but we here, sis. We got it. We are slayed. This is a full wig made by yours truly. Yes. In the back is box braids, and then I had a frontal, and I cornrowed the frontal. I did a little half bun right here just to keep it a little cute or whatever. Little style on the style. So if you want to see how I achieved this wig, go ahead and continue to watch. But before, you already know what to do. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload, you're notified. Thumbs up this video. Comment down below. Share this with your friends. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You know the jingle or whatever. Okay. I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember to bloom because a flower is just a soul. Blossom in nature. Mwah.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
Hi guys, so we're starting with a mesh dome cap, and I got this frontal. Oh, where did I got this frontal from? I bought this frontal months ago. It was probably like a $20 frontal from AliExpress because I knew I wanted to braid it. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and secure the frontal onto that wig cap. And you've seen me do this many times if you watch my videos. So now I'm just sectioning off and trying to figure out how I want these parts. But before I even continue, I'm going to cut the rest of that lace off because I just realized I couldn't braid. I just needed to see the scalp while I was braiding, or I couldn't see black. It just wasn't working. So first I'm plucking, and the hair that I'm leaving down is the hair that's going to be braided in the front, which you'll see, so that I have enough room to do some baby hairs and stuff like that. Make it look nice and natural. So I'm using the X-pressions. I ended up using 6 packs. It took me forever, but we've made it here. So I'm just using a crochet needle, and I'm just crocheting the hair through there, and then I go ahead and braid. So I'm just gonna go, I'm showing you slowly. You put the needle through the hair, and you wanna make sure it's a little lump there, if you can see that. And then you're gonna grab a piece of hair. A pinch is fine, a pinch is enough. Stretch that hair out, and then you're gonna put it in the loop, in the hook, and then you're gonna latch it and just pull the hair straight through and start to braid. Get the other side, stretch that. You're gonna put those 2 pieces there together because that's gonna be the 3rd piece, and then you just start braiding the hair together, and it'll already make a knot, so it'll look like it's braided to your real hair on your scalp. It'll make a knot. Okay, so now it's time for the cornrows. So what I'm doing is I'm putting my Eco Styler gel at the top because I want it to lay nice and neat, and I just start braiding. These are feed-in Fulani braids, so all you have to do is, you see how I'm adding that hair in? Just grab a piece, add the hair in. Each braid took about 5 or 6 add-ins. So you just add the hair and continue to braid. See that? One day I'm gonna try to tell you how to cornrow, guys. I'm trying to figure out the best way to even explain it, which is why I haven't done it yet. I did a detailed video on how I box braid, which I'll actually put down in the description box so you can see how I do that. But yeah, I'm on my last braid on the frontal. I'm loving the way that this looks, guys. It looks so natural. I love it. So now, I'm so silly. So now we gonna go ahead and we gonna take the wig off, and we're gonna put the elastic in. Straight NYC birds up. So I'm sewing on my elastic band, which you guys have seen me done before. I have a tutorial on that, so I will link that down below. I sew my elastic band on every frontal closure the same way. It's pretty simple. So So that's my Got To Be gel. I'm just going to throw that wig on, and we're going to make sure it's in the right spot. Put a scarf on to lay it down. And then we're going to go and we're going to wet the ends. This is just a pot of boiling hot water. You want to be careful when you're doing this process, you guys. This water will burn you. It's hot, okay? But if you peep about the top of my head, it looks so natural. Do you see that? Did you peep? Did you peep game? Did you peep game? I don't think so. You peeped the game. So I'm just cutting those ends and making it more even. There we go. Make sure it's dry. It's gonna drip for a little while, but it'll dry quick. So now I'm gonna cut off the lace. You're gonna be careful so you don't catch the baby hairs, or what will eventually be baby hairs. Okay, so I'm taking out that braid now. And I'm going to go back in and pluck some more. I did pluck earlier, but we want to pluck a little more. I'm loving the way that this is laying. This looks, I'm proud of this. Guys, I'm proud of this wig. So I'm cutting the baby hairs. I usually don't do baby hairs, but because it's braids, I kind of felt like I had to. So I'm just doing something small because I don't really like a lot of baby hairs. I'm actually went in again and I actually plucked more because it was just too much hair on my forehead. I just can't take it. I just feel like my forehead just looks so small when I do that. So I'm taking my Black Radiance contour palette. I'm using the Sculpt color, which is like a brownish color, and I'm just putting that throughout the wig so it can look seamless and you don't see any of the knots or any of the lace as much. I'm just gonna let that sit and take that off, and that's it, guys. This is the wig. I'm so happy with this wig. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment down below, and share with your friends. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.